it's me Kinjal. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to do a shopping haul. First things first, I'm really sorry for the quality. I have no choice because my ring light just broke down, but please bear with me some more time. I promise you I'll come with new background, new quality and new setup. Also, I've done a haircut because it's summer and I really wanted to give myself a change and my long hair were a little damaged. So without any further rambling, let's just get started. So the first thing I got is this jeans. So it's a nice fitted skinny jeans. So I got it on sale. So this retailed for 1,200, which I got for 681 rupees. This is the size 26. So I got it on sale from Myntra.com and I really love this jeans. I love the material. I love the comfortness. Like I love how comfortable it feels. It's really lightweight and it doesn't feel like it's a jeans, you know, that's all I want. Also a disclaimer, all these products which I've bought are from my own money and nobody has sponsored me for this. Next thing I bought are two pair of shoes. These shoes are not from any website. I've got it offline. I've got it from Linking Road, and this place, Linking Road, is my favorite place to shop, like to street shop, and I love shopping from Linking Road. So I've got two beautiful pair of shoes my sister is using and one I'm using. So the first pair of shoes is this. Nowadays I love shoes and these are the pair of shoes which I got. Now this retail for 400 rupees. I love the quality. I always see the material and the comfortness. It's really soft from the inside. So I've got these. Second one which I've got is for my sister. These are the jogging shoes, or you can wear it every day as well. At Linking Road, the shopkeeper told me it is for 1,700 rupees. And I'm like, bhaiya, I'm not going to pay you 1,700 rupees. मैं यहाँ पे नहीं रही हूँ. So I bargained like anything and I bought it down to 600. So for this pair of shoes, I only paid 600 rupees. So yeah, that way I'm good at bargaining. Moving on, I again shopped a lot from Linking Road. The t-shirt which I'm wearing is from Linking Road and I got it for like 250 rupees and it's grey in color and nothing fancy. But this t-shirt, it's a plain white top. It's a crop top which had a rose on it which came out. And I was really disappointed. I was like, what? Did that bhaiya cheat on me? But no, the glue was not proper or something. I might just stick it with the fabric glue. Now let's move on to the exciting part, which excites me the most, is makeup and skincare. So the first thing I've got is this. This is the Nivea Nourishing Lotion Body Milk for very dry skin, and I've got this for rupees 210, but it is really worth it. I've taken this much and I'm going to show you. It really moisturizes and it has almond oil, so it just settles down really quickly. And the thing I've bought is this makeup remover. This is from Garnier and this is the oil infused cleansing water. I use this yellow one which has the oil infused in it and I love it. This retails for 225 rupees, but it's totally worth it. Coming to the nails are these three things. Now the first thing is a nail paint remover. This is from Maybelline Color Show nail color remover with vitamin E. Next I've got these two nail colors which are in the shade Nude Skin and this is in the shade Blackout. I have nude skin on my nails and I can put a picture up. Black is a must. So this retails for rupees 110 each, but I got it for 83 rupees each. So yeah, I was really happy with the buy and I think I needed nail paints more than anything. Thing I bought are these brushes, a set of brushes. I got it from shein.com. These cute little brushes, and it's so soft and it's so easy to use. It has a contouring brush, it has a foundation brush, it has two eye brushes to blend, it has a concealer brush. The bristles are really soft, and yeah. So let's start with makeup. So first thing I've got is this LA Colors, not LA Girl, it's LA Colors So Cheeky Blush and Highlight Palette. So this is how it looks. This is in the variant Peaches and Cream. It is so pretty, you guys. I've got it for 475 rupees. It retails for 950 rupees. And I've got it for 475, means it's a steal, you guys. The blushes here are not really pigmented, and it has to be like this because you don't need pigmented blushes which make you look like a joker. So you can definitely build this up, and I really like the highlight. The highlight, I'm wearing it right now, if you can see. I love how the highlighter is looking. It's really pretty. I'm going to just swatch one. Oh my god, look how blinding that looks. Since it's getting really hot, I just decided to tie my hair. Next product I've got is this Age Rewind Maybelline product. It's this concealer. I'm not sure whether to buy it or no, but loving this product. I finished so much of it and I have been obsessing over this. I'm in the shade medium. It's definitely light on my skin, but it highlights my under eyes. It makes me feel that I don't have dark circles anymore, and I love this product. It's for 650 rupees, a very good concealer. Now a lot of people compliment me on my eyebrows. I've got this new product which is from Wet n Wild brow pencil in the shade Brunettes Do It Better. I have done my eyebrows with this pencil. Tell me how it looks. Tell me if it's looking good, if it's looking bad. Tell me in the comment section. Also comes with a spoolie, which is a good thing, and you have the product on the other side where you have to sharpen the tip to get the product out. So it's a good thing. 250 rupees, not bad at all. It makes my eyebrows look good, defined and filled. That's all I expect from an eyebrow pencil, and Wet n Wild is doing their job. The next two things are mascaras. I was out of mascaras and I was really digging for mascaras, and I found two amazing mascaras. The first one is the Voluminous Lash Paradise. This is from L'Oreal. Definitely does a job of coating your lashes, making it look fluffy and plenty and all that stuff. So this retails for 799 rupees, and now I think on Nykaa it's for sale and it retails for 590 rupees something. Second mascara which I've got is from Maybelline again, and I have not opened the packaging yet. This is the Maybelline Total Temptation Mascara. It comes in a packaging like this, and the product is this. Which I think is not bad. I have to try this mascara, yet I don't know how it fares. It fares my needs or no. Put an update on my Instagram, so make sure you follow me on my Instagram to know the updates. So the last four products are these lipsticks. Bunch of lipsticks in my hand. I'm going to show you one by one. So the first lipstick I've got is this Nykaa So Matte Mini, and it's too mini for my expectations. What do you mean, Nykaa? 199 rupees for such small lipstick. But the color is so pretty. It's in the shade Regal Ruby. It doesn't say on the actual lipstick. Should I swatch it here? And I think it's really pretty. Just intensifying it. It will suit so many Indian skin tones, and it'll look fabulous. It'll look fabulous. Okay, the next I've got is from Lakme. So I've got this Lakme 9 to 5 Primer Plus Matte Lipstick. So this is in the shade Maroon Mix. And ooh la la, I love this shade. I wore this once. and I'm going to swipe it right here. It's kind of pink, it's kind of red, it's kind of maroon. Look good on all the deeper skin tone girls, and I think it looks fabulous actually. I really like this color. So it's a thumbs up. This lipstick retailed for 390 rupees. I love how the packaging is super metallic, and it does make a sound, if you can hear, when the lipstick is inside. So you know your lipstick is loose if it's not making this sound. This is the second last item. It's from the brand Nels, and it's a decent sized lipstick, and it's in the shade Plum Orchid, and I'm going to swipe it right here. Ooh, damn it! I don't know if you can see the difference in each, but I really like how this looks, and it's, oh my god, I'm really impressed with this. This Nels USA, it says, and it retails for 120 rupees, but I got it for 96 rupees, which for this much product. I think Nykaa, please Nykaa, like why? Like why? Why do you do this to me? And the last lipstick is not the dark shades, but it's a nude. It's from Maybelline. It's in the shade Nude Nuance or Nuance, and it's a beautiful nude, which I'm also wearing it on my lips. I really like this. I'm going to just swipe it. I really like how the color looks on my lips as well. I think this is my everyday color. I'm not into pinks. I love brown. I like nude colors, and this is the perfect nude for me. Also, it has a smell which all the Maybelline lipsticks have. I'm sure you might just smell it off. It smells like coconut, I think. Yeah. That was such a long shopping haul. I have shopped a lot this month, and मेरे जेब में एक बड़ा hole हो गया है. But I've enjoyed shopping. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope I didn't bore you. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching till the end. And until then, we meet next time. Bye.